With this video, you can learn very profitable strategy for short-term trading in cryptocurrency, and I teach you very good strategy for trading in 5 minutes. Without wasting time, I start teaching. We need two time frames, 4 hours and 5 minutes, and EMA 20, and we can add EMA 20 with this item and search EMA, and I change setting, I change length to 20, and I change color to red. Okay. We need two uh, conditions. First, a big movement and big candles uh, like this and like this, like this, like this, like this, and areas that candles touch EMA 20, like here, like here, like here, like here. Okay, I choose an area, for example, here and here, because we have big movement and a swing, and after that we have an area that candles touch EMA 20. I go to 5 minute time frame, and we need a trigger for entering this, for enter to trading. I usually use trend line. We have this trend line, and we break trend line in this candle, and we can enter to trade in here and put a stop loss in bottom of this candle, and this trade give us very excellent risk reward. As you see, this trade give us near uh, 40 risk reward. Another example is, I select for you in this area. We in this area we have another trend line, and we can enter trading and put a stop loss in behind of this area. And this trade give us very excellent risk reward. Maybe in this candle your stop loss being enabled, or maybe not, because we usually set a stop loss a little uh, down to this candle, like here. And if this candle enable your stop loss, you can find another trigger or uh, another trend line for this, and you can finish after enter after this candle and enter with this candle and put a stop loss in this area, and this trade give us very excellent risk reward. I wanna show another example in this area, and in this area we have a trend line, and we can uh, enter to trade with this candle, and this trade give us very excellent risk reward again. 7 or more, near 12. Or in this section we have another trend line, and we can enter in this area and put a stop loss here, or we can uh, enter here, put a stop loss here, but these candles uh, are not very strong, and we need a strong candle, and this candle is very good, and we can enter here and put a stop loss uh, down of this candle or this candle. This strategy works for all symbols in crypto and forex and or FX. For more tips about this strategy, you can use my video, and I put it in my website with this address, and put it in this post, and I uh, put this URL in text box of my video in YouTube, and you can use it. Have a good time.